What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the spark plug on your lawnmower. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so we're going to be using this Briggs & Stratton spark plug. It's part number 591868. Okay, so you're going to want to change your spark plug about every 1 to 2 years, or if your engine starts misfiring or sputtering. I'll go ahead and show you what mine's doing. Okay, so first we're going to come over to our spark plug and we're going to pull off the spark plug wire, put that to the side. Then we'll take our 13/16 inch socket wrench and go ahead and take it off. Go ahead and remove it on a cold engine. Okay, go ahead and pull that out. Woo, doggy, look at that thing. Look how black and fouled up that baby is. So this thing is way long overdue. Okay, so we'll take our new spark plug. I like to put just a little bit of anti-seize on it. Now we'll go ahead and hand thread in our new one. Then we'll snug it down with our spark plug wrench. Not too tight now. There we go. Now we'll push the spark plug wire back on, and we're done. Now let's go ahead and test it out. Alright guys, and that's it. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can see all my new upcoming videos. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care. Happy mowing.